Hello guys, today I tell you how to make online passive income. First, I tell you what is passive income. Passive income refers to earnings derived from sources that require minimal effort or time investment once set up. Unlike traditional active income, where individuals trade their time for money, passive income allows individuals to earn even while they sleep, providing a sense of financial freedom and flexibility. Let's discuss about the power of online passive income. With the growing popularity of the internet and digital technology, earning passive income online has become an appealing option for those seeking financial independence. The internet provides a plethora of chances for people to utilize their skills, knowledge, or assets to develop long-term income streams. Benefits of pursuing passive income. There are numerous benefits associated with pursuing passive income. Some of the key advantages include financial freedom. Passive income enables individuals to break free from the limitations of solely relying on active income, providing the potential for building wealth and achieving financial independence. Flexibility. Unlike traditional employment, online passive income sources offer individuals the flexibility to work on their terms, allowing for a better work-life balance. Diversification. Developing multiple streams of passive income diversifies one's revenue sources, reducing financial vulnerability and increasing stability. Security and scalability. With the right strategies in place, passive income can offer a sense of long-term security and the potential for scalability, creating opportunities for exponential growth. Strategies for creating online passive income. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a popular strategy for generating passive income online. It involves promoting products or services on behalf of other businesses, earning a commission for each sale or lead generated through your referral. Here's how it works. Select a niche. Identify a specific industry or market that aligns with your interests or expertise. Choose affiliate programs. Research and identify reputable affiliate programs related to your niche. Create valuable content. Develop high-quality content that educates, informs, and engages your audience. Promote affiliate products, services. Strategically incorporate affiliate links within your content to drive conversions and earn commissions. E-commerce and dropshipping. Building an e-commerce store and implementing a dropshipping business model can be an effective way to generate passive income online. With this approach, individuals can sell products without holding inventory or handling shipping logistics. Here are the key steps involved. Identify a profitable niche. Conduct market research to identify a niche with high demand and low competition. Set up an e-commerce store. Utilize user-friendly platforms like Shopify or WooCommerce to create your online store. Source products from suppliers. Establish relationships with reliable suppliers who can fulfill customer orders on your behalf. Drive traffic and promote your store. Implement effective marketing strategies to attract potential customers and drive sales. Optimize operations. Continuously refine your processes to enhance efficiency and customer satisfaction. Digital products and online courses. Creating and selling digital products, such as e-books, online courses, or software, can yield substantial passive income. This strategy leverages your expertise or creative skills to provide value to a broader audience. Here's how to get started. Identify a valuable knowledge, skill set. Determine your areas of expertise or skills that can benefit others. Develop digital products. Create comprehensive e-books, video courses, or software that address specific pain points or provide solutions. Implement an online platform. Utilize platforms like Udemy or Teachable to host and sell your digital products. Market your products. Employ various marketing techniques, such as leveraging social media, email marketing, or collaborations, to reach your target audience. In conclusion, online passive income offers individuals the opportunity for financial freedom, flexibility, and security. By exploring strategies like affiliate marketing, e-commerce and dropshipping, and creating digital products or online courses, you can tap into the immense potential of generating income effortlessly. Remember, building passive income streams requires dedication, continuous learning, and a proactive approach. So why wait? Start your journey towards passive income today and unlock new possibilities for a more prosperous future.